I have the solution. Okay, I have the solution for all those campground rule breakers. You know, the ones I pointed out in the video I did a while back about the 3 distasteful broken rules. I know how to solve the problem. Here are my solutions for broken campground rules. And if you're a campground owner, these solutions will solve a lot of your problems. Throwing trash on the ground. Don't do this. This irritates me most of all. You know they know better. It's illegal to drive down the road and throw trash out your window, so obviously it'd be illegal to throw trash anywhere else, to include a campground. I find myself a good hiding place, and I watch for the rule breakers. There's one. Shh, this is what I do. No warning, problem solved. Cotton ball, a straight pin, a little turtle juice. Pet poop, come on, pick up your pet poop. What I do is I find a good hiding place so that nobody can see me, and I look for the rule breakers. Like that guy. You see what he's doing? He's letting that monkey poop all over the place. I gotta get him. Excuse me, sir, you're in violation of one of our campground rules, the pick up the poop rule. I'm gonna have to issue you a ticket and a fine. What are you talking about? A fine? Yes, your pet pooped all over the place and you didn't even bend over to pick up the poop. You didn't even try. What? Here, now pay me some cash. Problem solved. Cigarette butts and trash in the fire pits. That's not where they belong. Sometimes I like to find a good prone position in the grass and look for rule breakers. Problem solved, and he didn't even know it was coming. Loud music. Besides, it's a rule, and people don't like your music. Here's what I do. I find a good standing place where I can hide and they can't see me, and then I look for the rule breakers. Like that guy. He has no clue. He don't know his music is that loud. Or does he? The first thing I do is I take out the speakers. Now I confront him. Excuse me, sir. You're in violation of one of our campground rules. What? Yes, your music's way too loud and it's after quiet hours. Seriously? Now you are on the naughty list and you can't come back to the campground and you have to pay a fine. You see that naughty list? Read that. Now pay me cash. Now next time, turn your music down during quiet hours. You know when they are. And you know how loud your music could be. Now turn it down. Problem solved. Once again. You know, I really wish it was this easy. And it's not. It's a very difficult job. Balancing customers, you know, having a good time and enforcing the rules. It's tough. Although, it's fun to make fun of. And if you're a camper and you're violating some of these rules, stop it. Don't do it. You know it's wrong. Don't take advantage of people that really don't want to tell you you're wrong. Bad camper jail. Yeah, that hasn't been invented yet, but it should be. Every time there's a bad camper, lock them up, put them away, at least for the weekend. Let them pay for a site and not get to enjoy it. That will turn them around. Maybe, I'm not sure. Obviously, these aren't real solutions. The whole dart thing, that's dangerous. You could poke somebody's eye out. However, you could put someone on a naughty list. Don't allow them to come back to the campground, or remind them next time they make a reservation that they were not very nice. Or you could fine them. send them a bill. Let them know how bad they left the campground or broke the rules, and send them a dun. Tell them they owe you some money. This is my campaign, Campground Etiquette Awareness. Comment below. Let me know what your experiences have been. Send me some pictures. Send me a Facebook chat or a email, or comment on one of my social platforms. I don't care. Let's get the information out. Let's start a campaign together. Stop those bad campers from breaking the rules. Well, that's my story for the week. If you like this story, click like down below and smash that subscribe button if you'd like to hear more stories like this one. New stories every week, to include a live stream. And ring that bell. If you ring the bell, you get a notification every time I post a new story, because you don't want to miss one. Until later, thanks for your time. Bye.